She inspired me to go harder. So, real talk. My savages, my savages, my savages. I'm always dressing fresher than a mannequin. I grew up in a ruthless ass environment. I'm on the phone with yo, I asked him how the trial went. 35 racks, that's how my day was spent. I got a cocky back, that's how my day would get. You got me thinking all these bitches artificial. The way you acting, you must don't respect the real nigga. Lost some herb up, lost some syrup up. They try to infiltrate us and then betrayed us. I told you way before what happened, they was ain't no nuts. You know when we was looking for it, they was mad at us. Hey, there's a letter for my dog. How we let the money get between us. How we let these bitches get between us. How we let these niggas get between us. I got love for all my savages with itchy fingers. I got love, but it ain't like the love I got for Indy. She held me down when I was broke, I got her to infinity. My little dog called a murder, gone for infinity. Dumping ashes on your obituary, I know you feeling me. I love you, my friend, that quick, you should've seen this shit. 20,000 on the child support, I seen this shit. Round around with all them choppers, I done seen this shit. These rappers mad at me, but these niggas ain't doing shit. And I just bought a pound of kush so I can smoke that shit. I went and spent a half a ticket at the dealership. The fame is doing a lot of damage to my friendships. If Esco didn't love me, would've been a jump ship. And it's the love from my fans got me still here. Flip nigga, give me some codeine and sip nigga. Big bass head, wipe a nigga nose. My girl changed the lock on the doors. They put this shit put up the phone. Ain't falling in love with no hoe. That what you want from me? That what you really expect? You thinking I'm still up the press? Or someone can numb me a check? I had to fuck with any of you niggas. That's my only regret. Drag the milk on the floor. Procurement links on my hoe. 10 whips in a row. Who would think we was pop? Who would think we was pop? Money laying on the floor. Got some hoes laying on some hoes. Got a shot of whip shit pro. No, she never meet another nigga, not another nigga like me. Even if he got $1 billion, he can make it come like me. Who come from Mitchell like that? It better be about an image. Tell me y'all that this a gimmick. They thought the whip got ready. Because the spur one tinted. I told him ain't got nothing to hide. Told him I grew with the pie. Told him fuck all of my wrongs, but don't even ride. My savages, my savages, my savages. We gon' leave a nigga stiffer than a man.
How you gon' put a sun on the jobs? How you can make Situations, come on, y'all. We look right, hey, yeah, but you gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys, I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see, I thought I would do you, but you're so still and you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, gonna boogie tonight, 'cause I'm honestly too young of a guy to stay for waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do what a single man does, and that's fine. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh no, you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You ain't got to go, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You ain't got to go, baby. It's okay, girl, alright tonight. You ain't got to go, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Don't text me, don't text me.
Oh, you must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go north. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on she regardless. Get my goon and swipe that bitch and now the spirit to charge. Making moves, being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free little folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down soon as I land on them folks.
Take me through that.
Where we going, twin?
Take me through that. Take me through that.
Where we going then?
Take me through that. Take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that. Take me through that.
She gone. Out of that booth, she gone. Out of that over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two on my go-to player. Hydra, 2 players. Got body like she went on a drill. Look like she go trim. Cut it, get
Okay, guys. I need to do this dress and finish it by tonight. It is currently, what time is it? It's like 6, almost 7. It is 6:37 p.m. right now. I started on the dress. Didn't like it because the material was cheap. It was fraying real bad. No matter what I did, it just kept fraying. Tried to light the ends. It caught on fire. So, scratch that. Redid the corset with corset mesh. It looks alright. Cool. But the skirt is the original fabric, which is fraying on the inside. I don't like the way that looks. I tried to burn it. It's still just no. So I ordered some fabric off Amazon. I asked for a champagne color. It did not. It's okay. Here's the original fabric. You see how it's fraying real bad? This is what I got off Amazon. You see the color difference? Cool. It's not bad. It actually still looks good with the mesh corset. I think I'm going to go with the new fabric because it's not fraying. It has a little bit more stretch to it. And I don't know. Okay, guys, it took me 20 minutes to cut out this fabric. Now I'm about to sew on the rhinestones. There's the original dress. Sew on the rhinestones onto this. So the easiest thing to do would be to just super glue this mess on here and call it a day. But I'm not going to do that. This stuff is heavy. I don't want it to rip or fall apart. None of that. It's been 4 hours. I've been trying to sew this, but it's not working out. So I'm going to have to try to glue it. And if the glue don't work, then I'm gonna have to tell my cousin I can't do it because my sewing machine is not equipped for this. And my fingers are like hurting from trying to take the rhinestones out so that I can sew it on my sewing machine, and the glue from the rhinestones is getting stuck on my sewing machine, which is breaking the thread. It's a lot, and I'm about to quit. Alright, this is the new base. So it's the corset and the skirt, and I'm gonna sew the skirt around the corset, and then I'm gonna add the beaded lace around, and then I'm gonna hand sew the applique onto the bodice.
Baby, I'm a dog, she said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a buddy. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 black on pants size, cause I'm trying breaking it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take